I guess I'm like most farmers. I've been farming since I was big enough to sit on a tractor seat. It is a concern. Anytime we get 4 and 5 inch rainfalls, we're losing precious soil. It's hard to control that on our farms. My name is Stanley Booth. I'm here in St. Mary's County. We're here on Porterville Farm on St. Mary's River. I think it's a big concern to all farmers. When we're losing productive farmland to soil runoff, we hate to see that. We couldn't keep on losing important soil. We had got 100 feet up into the farm. Within a year or so, what would it be in 2 years from now?
My name is Bruce Young, and I've worked with the St. Mary's Soil Conservation District for 33 years. This project is a grade stabilization structure. The issue that Mr. Booth had when he was farming is an eroding gully. So during a heavy rain event, as the water gets concentrated and starts flowing, it creates a gully. And in this case, it created quite a gully that came up about 100 feet into the field that drained down to the St. Mary's River, washing tons and tons of sediment out into the river and any nutrients that were attached to the soil particles as well.
We contacted Soil Conservation and we got them to come down. They worked with us, got a design, and we got a project done. We installed a grade stabilization project. It would collect the water and transfer it down through this rock channel here.
We've initiated a process in our office where if somebody calls in, whether they need a soil conservation water quality plan or they think they need a best management practice on the farm, we prioritize that request and then assign the technicians to come out and do the design for the BMP implementation. So this particular practice, we had to excavate where the erosion was. We rolled in and packed clay, and then we rock lined the center of the swale that took the water from the top of the slope down to the bottom of the slope before it discharged to the river. We have controlled the flow of that water, and where it's concentrated, we're putting it right into the rock line ditch, so it's no longer going to erode. Our services to the landowner and the farmer are most definitely free. We try to get the best cost share that's available for that particular practice. And it varies from site to site and from practice to practice. To the level and degree that we can, we're going to assist them.
If it hadn't been cost shared, it probably would have been drug out, not get done. Don't hesitate to contact your soil conservation. If you have a project that needs doing and it's important to your farm, contact them. They're willing there to work with you. If you don't have the money or the cost share available that year, put it on the books for another year. But don't hesitate to contact them. They may have some right answers to help you. Just stand back doing nothing is not the answer.
If you have an erosion problem on your farm or you need technical assistance through the Soil Conservation District, call the office. Stop in the office. There's going to be staff in place where if they walk in the front door, they'll be able to talk and meet with somebody so we can sit down with them and determine what they have going on and how soon we can get out and help them. It's easy to get in touch with us.
I don't know if I'm making a difference, but this project is making a difference.